Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail, and today I'm going to show you guys how to PPF the headlights on a GSF. It's going to be one piece, so you're going to go all the way through here. It's going to connect right here, and then all the way through there. So just do a quick video how we install it. Make sure you prep your surface, keep them clean, blow out as much as you need to, and let's get into the video. So this is my slip solution, baby shampoo. Now I'm going to blow out the crevices, just to make sure we ain't got no debris in there when we're doing the PPF. That should be good. Now we're going to re-soak it. Grab our template. So if you guys order a template offline, this is how they're going to come. Make sure your hands are clean, you got liquid on it, and we will be pulling this one back. So you can see, keep it nice and wet, and pull both pieces out. Nice little slip to it, and let's get this where we kind of need it. Okay. Alright guys, so you kind of see where we're at. Got a nice little thing right here, so we're going to make sure we have to stretch it around. Get this out of the way. For our tack solution, we're going to be doing hot water. So I like to spray the whole film real quick. Getting the film nice and hot helps it relax, so you're able to take these bends better. So we are going to get our squeegee out. Let me get my squeegee, and I'm back. So I got my squeegee. We're just going to be using yellow turbo for this install. Get a little slip on the outside. Let's tack down the front edge. Put a little slip on the top, help the yellow turbo move easier. Alright. So once you're happy with your front edge, which I am, got it all lined up, a little bit over on the bottom, but that's okay. We're going to be able to tuck that around. Show all the liquids out. Now we're going to move to the back side. So, put a little slip. Get some hot water. Now we're going to tack in this back corner. We're just going to tack in the top corner right now. So once you got your top corner in, I'm happy with the way it looks. Do a quick little wipe, make sure these edges are lined up. They are. Now we're going to tack in this bottom corner right here. So just get the film a little more relaxed. Hold it up. So normally we will let it dry and then we'll hit down these fingers, but we're gonna get this done faster. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. We'll grab our air compressor around 50 PSI. Now we're gonna blow everything out. Alright, so after we get that, we grab our heat gun. So just let it chill for a minute. Make sure you get all this water out everywhere. So if you see any water, you just want to hit this out. Now water will evaporate, air bubbles do not evaporate. So keep out on that. So let's get rid of these fingers, keep them up a little bit, and we're just gonna hammer them down. And make sure you guys keep moving your heat gun. You don't want to melt the film. That will happen. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. This was a 2016 GSF, the headlight template. If you guys need any templates, hit me up. I'll send you a quote and the diagram or the template of your headlights. And I appreciate you guys watching. It's Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.